Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain how does Microsoft authentication take place. Okay? So please like and subscribe. Okay? So let's start. Microsoft authentication. Microsoft authentication places are SAM database, NTLM authentication, Kerberos. Okay? So what is SAM database? SAM database is the security account manager database. Okay, this is used by Windows to manage user accounts and passwords in the hashes format. Hashes format means one way hash. Okay, password are never stored in plain text format. Okay, they are stored in the hashes format to protect them from attacks. Okay, SAM database is implemented as a registry file and Windows kernel obtain and keeps exclusive file system lock on the SAM file. Okay, this file is provided with the file system lock. This provides some measure of security for the storage of the passwords. Okay, it is not possible to copy the same file to another location in the case of online attack. Okay, same file is locked with the exclusive file system lock. It cannot be copied or moved while the window is running. Okay, the lock of will not release until the blue screen exception has been thrown or operating system has shut down. Okay, making the password hash available for offline brute force attacks on this copy of the content of the same file can be dumped using various technique. Okay, Microsoft introduced syskey function in Windows NT 4.0. Okay, an attempt to improve the security of the SAM database against offline software cracking. Okay, on this copy of the SAM file is partially encrypted when the syskey is unable. Okay, in this way, password hash value for all local accounts storing the SAM are encrypted with the key. Okay, even if its content were discovered by some subterfuge, keys are encrypted with one way hash, making it difficult to break. Okay, some version have a secondary key making the encryption specific to that copy of the operating system. Okay, so this is the SAM database. Next, NTLM authentication. NTLM means anti LAN manager. Okay, NTLN is proprietary protocol employed by many Microsoft products to perform challenges or response authentication. Okay, and it's the default authentication scheme that Microsoft firewall and proxy server product use. Okay, this software was developed to addresses the problem of working with Java technology in Microsoft oriented environment. Okay, it does not rely on the any official protocol specification. There is no guarantee that it work correctly in every situation. It has been on some Windows installation where it works successfully. Okay, NTLM authentication consists two protocol. Okay, NTLM authentication protocol and LM authentication protocol. Okay, so this protocol different hash methodology to store user password in the same database. Okay, so this is the NTLM authentication. Next, Kerberos. Okay, so Kerberos is network authentication protocol. It is designed to provide strong authentication from client or server application by using secret key cryptography. Okay, These provide mutual authentication. Both server and the user verify the identity of each other. Okay. Messages sent through Kerberos protocol are protected against reply attacks and eavesdropping. Okay. Kerberos make use of key distribution center. Okay, key distribution center, trusted third party. Okay, this consists of two logically distinct parts. Okay, authentication server and ticket granting server. Okay, Kerberos work on the basic tickets to prove the user's identity. Okay, so this is the Kerberos. Okay, thank you for watching.